Kini kejeng penkup buram lai don lang ba Ronison Walang Additional Deputy Commissioner ke District East Khasi Hills ku Mukongsan, but Working President ke Meghalaya State Olympic Association ba John F Kharshiyeng kum usumbut Kongsan. Rengkat kejeng don lang Assistant Director ke Sports and Youth Affairs uba Paya Warnong Bri bat kiwe-kiwe. Nakihnya pun rengut ki kena kiladon repulai ngut belasha ajiat ban mi kemat yang ke District East Khasi Hills, bad ekani kejeng jiat lalek daka East Khasi Hills District Athletics Association. Kakan huan naga District East Khasi Hills kali okur kat artli kita kemaksiar, hendreu teli kita kemarupa, bad lai teli kita kemarnong. Bad kakan huan jeki kentai kali ora ya ka champion team, bad kakan huan jaga District East Khasi Hills kali ora sendan ka namla adu hakan kejeng yakop. Ka District Sports Office Shillong bat ke East Khasi Hills District Athletics Association. Kila ai digijing ai sobha bat ka song pisa shikini ginong ilakai kibala ya okur ya kita kema.
I would like to say that this has been possible. The Meghalaya State Olympic Association has been advocating, mobilizing with the government of Meghalaya. We've been able to have various programs now. It is not easy. It is not easy. You cannot produce, as we know, champions overnight. It takes, like they say, 10,000 hours of hard training. 10,000 hours of hard training or 10 years of working hard to produce a champion. We have probably now, government has now started in the last 2-3 years to allocate budget, and it takes a lot of effort for government, the department, the officers, the associations to put together. We all have to work together to produce, to give you the facility, to give you the right place and momentum to reach where you have reached today. For those who may not have achieved what others have achieved, some got bronze, some got silver, some got gold. I see, the East Khasi Hills district team won a total of 12 gold, 6 silver medals, 3 bronze medals. And this is a huge performance. So I say that today I would like to also thank the parents, some of whom are here. Without the parents' support, the athletes also will not go forward. But I want to reassure you that today, the advocacy of the Meghalaya State Olympic Association together with the Department of Sport and Youth Affairs and the strong committed support and vision of our Honorable Chief Minister Shri Conrad K. Sangma and our Sports Minister Shaklir Wajri, we today have a sports policy which was notified in 2019. It is being implemented. We are also discussing to further improve it. We today have the cash awards, which was there previously, but a very nominal sum. Today it is substantially increased. We also have the sports scholarship. In fact, we are now getting calls from other states who are saying, can you share us information how you're doing this sports scholarship? What is the expenditure? How much is the budget? So these are small steps, but important steps taken by the government to felicitate, to support the athletes. So once again, I would like to congratulate all of you. We are supposed to host the national games in the next 2-3 years. We are hoping some of you will be the torchbearer for Meghalaya, for India, and hopefully one day you will represent us, represent the country. Thank you very much once again.
But here we are today celebrating the 63 heroes who represented the East Khasi Hills district and were declared the overall champions of the state. You need to look to each other because you are the champions. You need to look to each other because you are the real heroes. And I believe that each one of you deserves a huge round of applause at this moment. Congratulations to each one of you. I'd like to commend the Sports Association and particularly the Office of the District Sports Officer of East Khasi Hills District for having mentored, for having motivated each one of you. I'd like to congratulate the parents for having allowed your children to pursue their goals apart from academics. It is but in our nature to lay great emphasis on academics, sometimes forgetting that it is not complete, it is not holistic. There are people who may not be great academic achievers, but have made great achievements in the field of sports. My only small message to you is, please remember that the road to success is always under construction. I, as your chief guest at this moment, am somebody who's also very interested in physical activity. I love going to the gym, and every day I look myself in the mirror and I see some improvements, and that continues to motivate me. So you need to realize that you are in that road, and that road needs constant repair and constant construction.
I believe the children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to be. Everybody's searching for a hero. People need someone to look